Introduction to organic nomenclature. The name of the organic compound should give the information about the structure. So for our convenience, the name is divided into number of parts as mentioned below. Root word. It indicates the basic carbon skeleton, that is number of carbon atom present in the longest continuous carbon chain of organic compound. In general, the root word for any carbon chain is al. Chain length carbon 1, root word meth. Carbon 2, eth. Carbon 3, prop. Carbon 4, but. Carbon 5, pent. Carbon 6, hex. Carbon 7, hept. Carbon 8, oct. Carbon 9, non. Carbon 10, dec. Carbon 11, undec. Carbon 12, dodec. Carbon 13, tridec. Carbon 14, tetradec. Carbon 15, pentadec. Carbon 16, hexadec. Carbon 17, heptadec. Carbon 18, octodec. Carbon 19, nonodec. Carbon 20, echo. Primary suffix. It indicates the degree of saturation. All single bonds are unsaturated, double or triple bonds in the carbon chain. Nature of the carbon chain. Carbon single bond carbon. Primary suffix ane. General name alkane. 1 C double bond C bond. Primary suffix ene. General name alkene. 1 carbon triple bond carbon bond. Primary suffix ine. General name alkyne. 2 C double bond C bonds. Primary suffix idene. General name alkadene. Nature of carbon chain. 3 C double bond C bonds. Atrene. General name algatrene. 2 C triple bond C bonds. Primary suffix adaine. General name algadiene. Name of group alkene. Replacement of one hydrogen atom. Primary suffix L. General name alkyl. Alkene. Replacement of one hydrogen atom. Primary suffix nyl. General name alkenyl. Name of group alkyne. Replacement of one hydrogen. Primary suffix anyl. General name alkenyl. Examples: CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Here single bond. Carbon count is 4. So the name of this compound is butane. Second one, CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH, single bond CH3. Here there is one double bond, 5 carbon, pentene. Third one, CH3C, triple bond C, CH2, CH3. Here only one triple bond, 5 carbon, pentyne. Fourth one, CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH double bond CH3. Here 5 carbon, 2 double bond, so pentadiene. Fifth one, CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH double bond CH, single bond CH double bond CH3. Here 7 carbon, 3 double bond, heptatriene. Sixth one, CH3C, triple bond C, single bond C, triple bond CH. 5 carbon, 2 triple bond, pentadiene. Seventh one, CH3, CH2, replacement of one hydrogen from alkane group, ethyl. CH3, CH, CH, double bond CH, 3 carbon, replacement of one hydrogen from propene, so propanil. CH3 C, triple bond C, CH2, replacement of one hydrogen from alkene group, so butanil. Secondary suffix. Secondary suffix indicates the nature of the functional group which is added after primary suffix. The terminal E of the primary suffix is replaced by secondary suffix. Example, secondary suffix for the functional group OH and CHO are OL and AL respectively. Alkane plus OL, alganol. Alkene plus AL, alganol. Butane plus OL, butanol. Butane plus AL, butanol. Prefix. The part of the name which appears before the root word is called prefix. Prefixes are again classified primary prefix, secondary prefix. Primary prefix. Primary prefixes only means for acyclic compounds, cyclic compounds in which double bonds are not in the alternate position, and it is always cyclo. If the compound is not acyclic, the primary prefix is absent. For example, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 in the trigonal shape. So this compound is called cyclopropane. Example 2. CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 in the shape of square. Name of the compound is cyclobutane. Nomenclature rules. Rules for naming complex organic compounds. Rule 1. Longest carbon chain rule. The longest continuous carbon chain should be selected as main chain or parent chain. In case of molecule contains two equally long carbon chain, the one carrying larger number of side chains is selected. Straight parent chain in C7 with 3 side chains is correct. Zigzag parent chain of C7 with only one side chain incorrect. Rule 2. Least number rule. The parent chain, longest chain is numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. starting from the end that gives the smallest possible number to the substituent or side chain. From left side, the position of substituent is 3, and from right side, the position of substituents is 4. First one is Rule 3. Lowest sum rule. In this compound, 7 carbon is present. Sum of logands, the position of alkyl groups 3 and 4. We must numbering the carbon from left to right, not from right to left. If different side chains are present on the identical position in relation to the ends of the chain, numbering must be done in the way so as to give preference to alphabetical order chain is the minimum number. In this compound, ethyl is present in left side, right side of this compound. So, we are numbering from right to left, not from left to right. Rule 4. Writing the name of the prefix. The name of substituent is prefixed to the name of the parent hydrocarbons, and its position on the main chain is indicated by writing the logand before the prefix. A hyphen is inserted between the logand and the substituent name. In 2-methylbutane, we should numbering from left to right. In 3-ethylhexane, we should numbering the carbon atom from right to left. Rule 5. Alphabetical order of side chains. In case 2 or more side chains are attached to the parent chain, these are prefixed in alphabetical order. 2-methyl-3-ethylpentane is a wrong naming. 3-ethyl-2-methylpentane is a correct name of this compound. A hyphen is inserted between letter and the number, and a comma is inserted between number and number No space is given between letter and letter. Rule 6. A repetition of the same side chain. If the substituent is present 2 or more times, this is indicated by the prefix di, tri, tetra, etc. added to the substituent. The different logins are separated by commas. In this compound, we have to numbering the carbon atom from left to right side. Position of substituent is 2 and 3. So this compound is 2,3-dimethyl pentane. Example 2. Here we have to numbering the compound from left to right. Substituent C2H5 present in the 4 and 5 position. Methyl present in the second position. So name of this compound 4,5-diethyl 2-methyl heptane. Example 3. In this compound, we have the numbering from left to right. Methyl group present in second position. Ethyl group present in third position. So, we have to name 3-ethyl 2,2-dimethyl pentane. Note, the spelling of the prefix di, tri and tetra should not be considered while arranging the substituents alphabetically as in the above examples. Rule 7. Branched chain in side chain. In case the substituent side chain on the parent chain has itself branched, then it's named as a substituent alkyl group and its carbon chain is numbered starting from the carbon atom attached to the main chain. The name of this complex substituent is written in the bracket. Name of this compound is 5,1,2-dimethyl-propyl, no name. Naming of compounds having functional group. Selection of longest chain. The longest carbon chain is selected in such a way as to include the maximum number of functional groups. Example, CH3, CH2, CH, CH2OH, CH2, CH3. Selected chain has 4 carbon atoms with functional group. Similarly, if the compound contains more than one functional group, the selected longest chain must have all the functional groups. Violation of lowest sum rule. The numbering of carbon chain is done in such a way that the functional group is given minimum possible number even if the violates the lowest sum rule. Sum of the logans 2 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 10. Exceptional functional groups. Some functional groups like CHO, COOH, CONH2, CN, COOR, COX, etc. must be assigned number 1. The carbon which is present in these functional groups should also be considered while giving the numbering. Naming of organic compound having 2 or more different functional groups. If the compound contains 2 or more different functional groups, including carbon double bond carbon and carbon triple bond carbon, the main functional group forms the secondary suffix of the name, while the other functional groups are considered as a substituents and indicates by prefix. Seniority tables for principal groups, highest priority group at the top. Group COOH, prefix name carboxy, suffix name oic acid. SO3H, sulfonic acid. C2 double bond O, single bond O, oic anhydride. COOR, alkoxycarbonyl, ode. COX, haloformyl, oil halide. CONH2, carbomyl, amide. CN, cyanonitrile. NC, isocyano, carbylamine. CHO, formyl A. C double bond O, oxo ONE. OH hydroxy OL. SH for mercaptodiol. NH3 amino amine. OR alkoxy. SR alkyl thio. C single bond C, single bond O, epoxy. C double bond C, ene. C triple bond C, ine. N double bond N, azo. NO2 nitro. NO nitroso. X, that is fluorine, bromine, iodine, halo,